Hey everyone, welcome. I'm so glad you're joining us. Look, today's explainer is all about fundamentally changing how you operate day to day. We're going to completely demystify artificial intelligence. We're moving it away from being this intimidating high-tech buzzword and turning it into a practical, everyday tool for you. Why? Because our main goal today is to help you reclaim hundreds of lost hours from your routine. We're going to take all that repetitive planning and endless decision-making and streamline it. Because let's be real, absolutely no one dreams of spending their entire weekend doing meal prep or balancing a household budget. 300 hours every single year. That is the actual staggering amount of time the average adult just loses to routine, planning, and household management. Think about that for a second. That is over 12 full 24-hour days that just vanish into thin air, spent figuring out what to eat, when to fix things around the house, and how to manage the checkbook. Just imagine what you could do if you got even half of that time back. All right, here's our roadmap for today. First, the 300-hour problem. Second, streamlining your home and life. Third, learning and decision-making. Fourth, building your very first app. And fifth, we'll cover some trending AI productivity tools. Okay, let's dive into part one, the 300-hour problem in the hidden cost of our daily decisions. You know, our most valuable resource isn't actually money, it's time. And we often don't realize just how much of it leaks out through 1,000 tiny repetitive choices. The average person spends over 130 hours a year just deciding what to eat and planning out meals. Managing household finances usually eats up about 5 to 10 hours a month, which pushes nearly 90 hours a year. And finally, keeping track of home maintenance adds another massive chunk of time. We are literally spending weeks of our lives doing things manually that AI can now knock out in a matter of minutes. Moving right along to part two, streamlining home and life, ending those daily dilemmas. So, to really lift that heavy mental load of household management right off your shoulders, we have to completely redefine how we view AI. An AI life assistant isn't some cold corporate software. Think of it more like a highly personalized home helper. It takes away your daily mental drain by coming up with fresh meal ideas, optimizing your specific cleaning routines, and tracking your household inventory, so you don't have to constantly hold all that information in your head. So what exactly can this assistant handle? Honestly, the scope is pretty incredible. It can create entire weekly meal plans based strictly on what's already sitting in your pantry. It can generate your shopping list organized by the literal physical layout of your local grocery store. It suggests ingredient swaps when you're out of something and gives you super creative ways to use leftovers, which instantly cuts down on food waste. And beyond the kitchen, it can categorize your bank expenses into budget templates and even schedule seasonal home maintenance based on your local climate. That alone could save you thousands in preventable home repairs. If you absolutely dread Sunday afternoon meal prep, here is a cheat code you can use today. You can literally just copy and paste this exact prompt. I'm tired of meal prepping the same 5 meals. Can you suggest some unconventional ideas that are easy to prepare but packed with protein? Put that in and just watch as it gives you a fresh, customized menu instantly. Say goodbye to the what's for dinner debate. All right, part 3, learning and decision-making. Time to upgrade your cognitive toolkit. We spend countless hours researching options, comparing alternatives, and second-guessing our choices. But you can use AI to completely eliminate all that preliminary research. For instance, say you're planning a trip. Try this. Help me compare Portugal and Switzerland for an upcoming vacation based on culture, cost, and travel logistics. Instead of you opening 20 browser tabs and spending your whole evening cross-referencing travel blogs, the AI just evaluates the trade-offs objectively. It spots things you might have totally overlooked and organizes a clean, side-by-side comparison in minutes. And that brilliantly illustrates another superpower of AI, simplifying the complex. We are constantly bombarded with really dense information. By prompting it to, quote, break down my car insurance policy, the AI acts as a translator. It converts that technical, mind-numbing jargon into plain English. It uses analogies to make abstract concepts concrete, so you can actually understand what you're paying for without needing a law degree. You can even treat it as your own personal learning coach. Think about how long it takes just to plan out how to study a new language. But if you just type, create a 2-week study plan with daily 15-minute lessons, the AI takes this complex topic, breaks it down into bite-sized, digestible chunks, and generates practice exercises tailored exactly to your current level. It's incredibly empowering. Let's hit part 4, building your first app, going from inspiration to execution.
Okay, this is where we go from being passive users to active creators. And yes, you can do this with zero coding experience. We're going to build a custom Chrome extension in 5 simple steps. First, log into an AI like Claude Opus 4.6 and just clearly describe your idea in plain English. Second, provide detailed prompts describing the features, and the AI will literally generate the complete code and organize the files for you. Third, download that AI-created project zip file and extract it. Fourth, open Chrome, head over to your Extensions Manager, turn on Developer Mode, and click Load Unpacked to select your new folder. And fifth, turn it on and test it. Just like that, you've partnered with AI to translate your idea into a functional reality. Pretty wild, right?
Which brings us to part 5, trending AI productivity tools. This is your rapid-fire toolkit. All right, rapid-fire time. Let's start with content and writing. If you're building a brand, Zero AI Writer instantly generates really compelling website copy. If you're a slow typist, Lemon is a voice assistant that lets you literally speak your thoughts out loud and transcribes them 12 times faster. And for the audio creators out there, PodSuite automatically turns your files into transcripts and show notes, which saves you hours of manual typing. Over to video and audio, and honestly, the time savings here get crazy. Clipwing uses highlight detection to effortlessly cut long videos into engaging shorts. Need B-roll? Veo Omni generates stunning 1080p cinematic video with synchronized audio. You can even turn audio tracks into professional lyric videos with Lyric MV, or use Social Clip Studio to auto-frame and caption all the most engaging moments of your content. Next up, design and web. Need a viral marketing asset fast? SuperMeme AI generates targeted memes instantly. Rather than endlessly hunting for stock photos, Airbrush creates totally unique commercial use images on demand. Thumbs AI actually tests your YouTube thumbnails against an AI audience before you hit publish to guarantee engagement. And my absolute favorite, Home Restyle AI. You literally just upload one single photo of your messy living room and it redesigns the space instantly using over 30 different interior design styles. Finally, let's cure that disorganization with data and automation tools to really win back your time. AutoHive takes any annoying repeating task and turns it into a no-code AI agent with just one prompt. Toloka AI helps you efficiently collect and label data. If you want to build a functional web app, Matrix Coder will write it straight from simple text prompts, and CrafterQ transforms your static website into an intelligent conversational AI experience trained entirely on your own content. So, we've covered a lot. We've seen how AI can plan your meals, manage the house, act as your personal researcher, write code, and completely overhaul your daily productivity. Shedding the burden of endless follow-ups, appointment scheduling, and content creation stress is entirely possible right now. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought. Look at your own life. What is the one thing, big or small, that you desperately wish AI would just take off your plate today? Seriously, imagine getting those 300 hours back. How are you going to spend them?